really good potato soup, and I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to make it really good. I got 8 cups of water in the pot, and I've got 10, medium-sized potatoes that I'm peeling. We're cutting up these potatoes. I've got 10 medium-sized potatoes that I've washed, peeled, and now I'm cutting them up. And what we're doing now is getting our water to boiling. Well, one way we're gonna make this taste even better is by adding some of my homemade chicken broth. Now, if you don't have homemade, you go ahead and use some that you've bought at the store. Pop in all these potatoes, and I'm gonna bring it up to a boil and turn it down to a simmer and let it go until my potatoes are fork tender. Where can you find my recipes? Right here in my cookbooks, Happiness is Homemade, y'all, and What's Cooking with Dana, y'all, or on my app called Cooking with Dana, y'all. That's where you find them. Okay, y'all, this has been bubbling away on a light simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. You test it with your fork, and you go into it, the potatoes, and if you can go in easy and there's no resistance, then they're done and you're ready to move on with the next step. And I've got some more tips. One of them is a potato masher. Don't mash all of them. You do still want some chunks, but go in there and mash just a little bit. And this right here will make it thicker. If you don't have any chicken broth, you can use chicken bouillon powder and add a little extra to that. It adds great chicken flavor as well. And also, I'm gonna use some regular whole milk, but if you don't have it, you can also use evaporated milk. Evaporated milk makes things really creamy. Get some salt and pepper in there. A half a teaspoon of salt, and then less than that of pepper. Then we're gonna add some butter. I'm gonna start with half a stick. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add a whole stick of butter because that's how I roll normally. So we've got half a cup of milk here, and we're gonna stir in 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour. We're gonna whisk it like you do an egg. Get that in there. Then we're gonna just hold it over the pot and whisk away. This will thicken it, okay? Now try to whisk as many of the lumps out as you can. We're gonna pour that in there. And if there's any lumps left in it, don't worry. Number one, the sun's still gonna come up tomorrow, but number two, as it boils, they will disappear. Yummy potato soup is on the way. We're gonna let this come back to a simmer boil, and then we're gonna finish this up. Goodness is coming. We are the last line of defense against bland, boring food, so we need to taste it. That is just right. You can see those potatoes. You can see all that wonderful broth that's gonna make us feel so good. I always add some cubed ham or some bacon, some cheese. Look at that. I know you wish you were here. And a little dollop of sour cream. You think about this. You throw in some of my cornbread with this, you got some good eating and you got some happy campers. Even my pickiest eaters will eat this. This will cure what ails you for sure. I'm gonna make you some potato soup. The good Lord loves you, and I love you too. Make some potato soup. Your family's gonna love it. Love and blessings. Bye now.